Okay, so I just got this plug-in pendant rattan hanging lamp and I have to say I'm already impressed just by unboxing. The rattan shade is beautifully woven and the overall design is so versatile. Now, what I love about this lamp is how easy it is to install. No complicated wiring here. It has a 14.8-foot plug cord, allows for flexible height adjustment so you can create the perfect ambience for your space. Plus, the 3.1-foot switch placement makes turning it on or off a breeze without the need to bend over. And it pairs beautifully with the E26 or E27 socket, giving you the flexibility to use any bulb type, LED, CFL, incandescent, or even halogen. I personally use it as a grow light for my fiddle-leaf fig by adding a grow bulb. It's also incredibly easy to install. Just hang it on a hook, plug it in, and you're good to go. No complex wiring required. And to make things even easier, I paired it with a smart plug for automatic on-off functionality, ensuring my plant gets consistent light without me having to think about it. This lamp is perfect for literally any area in your home. It's got that classic timeless look combined with modern convenience, making it a standout piece for any decor. And whether you're using it to light up a room or give your indoor plants some love, this lamp truly does it all. Trust me, this lamp is an absolute must-have.